Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to adjust the radio speakers balance and fade in case one of the speakers is not working, or you may be getting more sound to the front of the vehicle or to the back of the vehicle. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023, and Jeep Cherokee is equipped with this small screen. If you have a higher trim vehicle with a large display, then this process will be similar but still a bit different. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now it's quite sunny outside, so I hope you can see what I'm doing. So here on the radio screen, first you want to make sure you're under AM or FM, and then you will press the audio button in the bottom right corner. And then you have a bunch of options here, but you will select balance and fade, and you will get this like a small icon in the middle. So right now all of the speakers both on the left side and the right side will be working, and the sound is centered, so the amount of sound coming from all the speakers will be equal. Now if I move this icon all the way, let's say here to the left, this means only the left sided speakers will be working. If I move it, for example, just down here, only the rear left speaker will be working. So that's why I mentioned, if you are having problems with one of the speakers not working or one side of the speakers not working, for example passenger side not working, this is the first thing you want to check. You want to make sure this is centered, and then all the speakers will work. And also here you can adjust a bunch of things. If you put it up here, you will have only the front speakers working, or if you have rear passengers and you want to have a conversation in the front, and then you can just change these to the back of the vehicle and they will be able to listen to the music while you can talk while they do that. But generally I always have it here to make sure all the speakers are equally working. Okay, yeah, that's it. I hope this video will help you out. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.